beautiful day. Yeah, it is. So beautiful, I think I might want to take a walk later. Yeah, same here. In fact, maybe we should really take a walk instead of hanging out over here. We should go for a bike ride or something. I know. Hey, you guys, have you ever heard the story of the Bunnicula bunny? What is that? I never heard such a story. Well, it starts like this. On a sunny, bright day, the Bunnicula bunny jumps out at people and attacks. That's just nonsense. Yeah, I don't know about that. This sounds pretty suspicious. You might have to check it out for yourself. But it's never happened on a sunny day like this. Yeah, I think it's just nonsense. Nonsense, nonsense. No, I don't think it is. Me neither. I think that if we do a bunny, it's going to come out today. Did you just hear that? What? Hey. What was that? I told you guys, and you didn't believe me. Now you guys will be destroyed. To be continued.